Everyone, my name is Gopalji and I welcome you all on this channel with a new type of video which is product of two numbers close to 100. So how can we multiply two numbers which are closer to 100? This method will help you in finding product of two numbers which are close to 100, and I have taken three cases, first, second and third. As you can see, in the first case it is 104 into 106. Both the numbers are more than 100. In the second case it is 98 into 96. That means I have taken both the numbers which are less than 100. And in the third case it is 97 into 104. In this case one number is less than 100, whereas the other number is more than 100. So there will be only three cases, three possibilities for this type of this product of two numbers which are closer to 100. So let's begin one by one. Let's understand the concept behind this, and then you will be able to solve these questions without using pen or paper in fraction of seconds. Yes. So how can we solve this? The number given to us is 104. It can be written as, now this is again concept of base. So what is the base? I will take it as 100. 100 is the base of this number, and here I will write the surplus. The surplus of this is 4. So I can write here plus 4. So this number 104 can be written as 100 plus 4. 106 similarly can be written as 100 plus 6. So the answer of this product has two parts. This answer has two parts, left part and right part. Right? So on the left hand side I will take one number like 106, and I will add the surplus of the other number to this. So I will write here 104 plus 6, or what we can do, I can take 106 as the number, and then I will take the surplus of the other number like 4. So it can also be written 106 plus 4. This is on the left hand side. So whether you are taking 104 adding 6 to it, or you are taking 106 adding 4 to this, both the ways, in both the cases we are getting 110 on the left hand side, 110 on the left hand side. So what will come on the right hand side? It is always product of the two surpluses. Surplus is plus 4 into plus 6, and that will be plus 24. So right hand side, please note it down, it should always be a two-digit number. Right hand side, the product of the surplus should always be a two-digit number. So the answer of this question therefore will become 11024. So this product is 11024. Now please note this for understanding purpose, this detailed method. How does this come? What is the method behind this? What is the concept behind this? So this is with respect to base 100. Now if I take some example on this, let me take some examples here. If I say 107 into 111, both these numbers are more than 100. I have deliberately taken both of them to be more than 100. 107 plus 111, I am not going to do in this way. So if I take 107 as the first number, the other number 111 has surplus of 11. So what I will do, 11 plus 107. I will add this 11 to the given number. 107 plus 11 will become 118. That is the left hand part. And on the right hand side, the surplus of this 7 will get multiplied with the surplus of the other number, that is 11. So 7 into 11 is 77, and that is my answer. So this is as easy like this. Now if I say 101 into 108, so 101 plus 8 will give me 109 on the left hand side, and 1 into 8 will be 8. Look at this, 1 into 8 will be 8. But as I wrote here, this should be a two-digit number. The product should be two-digit number. Therefore, I will put a 0 before this. Similarly, if I take 111 into 112, now what will happen? Look at this carefully. 111, I will add 12 to this number, and I will get 123 on the left hand side. Now on the right hand side, 11 into 12. Yes, 11 into 12, this becomes 132, which now becomes a three-digit number. Therefore, this one which is extra can be shifted towards left, and the result final answer, it will be 12432. So there can be these three possibilities: having 2-digit number on the right hand side, having a single digit number. Therefore I put a 0 before this to make it a 2-digit number, and it can be a 3-digit number like this, and then we can shift the third digit towards the left to make it a 2-digit number on the right. So this is the first case when the two numbers are close to 100 but both of them are more than 100. 104, 106 was the example that we took. Right. Now let us focus on the second case, which is both the numbers are less than 100. So I have taken example of 98 into 96. If I take in the second case, this is 98. Now this can be written as 100 minus 2, and this 96 will be written as 100 minus 4. Now this is the base, right? Base is 100 and this is deficit. In this case we are not having surplus, rather this is a case of deficit. So what will happen here? The method is same, the answer will be similarly found in the same manner. Like this is 98 and this deficit will be subtracted. So 98 minus 4, or if you want you can take this 96, then subtract this deficit from the given number. So 96 minus 2. Look at these two differences. 98 minus 4 is 94. 96 minus 2 is again 94. So on the left hand side we are getting 94. On the right hand side it is product of the two deficit, that is minus 2 and minus 4, which makes it plus 8. Now as I said, this should be a 2-digit number. Therefore I will put 08 as the right hand side. Therefore the answer of this, which is 98 into 96, will be equal to 9408. That was for the second case. Now moving on to the third case, which is really important because one of the numbers in this case is more than 100, the other number is less than 100. Now this becomes a little different from the previous two cases. Method is similar, we will do the similar case. The only difference will be like 97 now can be written as 100 minus 3, and 104 will be written as 100 plus 4. Right. So if I go ahead with the same method, on the left I will write 97 plus 4. So 97 plus 4, or I can write 104 minus 3. So 104 minus 3. In both these 97 plus 4 or 104 minus 3, I am getting 101 on the left hand side. 101 is the value on the left hand side. Now look at this right hand side, it is minus 3, which is the first deficit, into plus 4, which is the second surplus. Now if I take the product of these two numbers, as you can see, this is minus 12. Minus into plus will be minus, and 4 into 3 will be 12. Now always I have said that on the right hand side it should be a 2-digit number. For example, 08 was permissible, 77 was permissible, and 132, when I got a 3-digit number, what we did, we shifted this 1 towards left, making it just 32 on the right. So what was the concept? This was 132. The number should be between, like from 0 to 99, right? I cannot have a number which is less than 0, or I cannot have a number which is more than 99. The moment it is a 3-digit number, so I will shift that 1 or whatever is at the third place, that towards the left. Okay. Using that, this number minus 12 is less than 0. This is less than 0. So in this particular case, what we have to do is we have to borrow 1 from left hand side. We'll borrow 1 from this, and the moment we borrow 1 from this side, it will become 100 on the right hand side. So let me change the color of the pen. So this will become 100 minus 12, and this 101 will become 100 because you have borrowed 1, and this 100 minus 12 comes out to be 88. And therefore the final answer of this product, like 97 into 104, it will be 10088. And these all calculations we can do mentally. I repeat this part. Say this minus 12, because this was less than 0, whatever is the result on the left, I will take 1 from this, I will borrow 1 from this side. So 101 minus 1 will become 100 on the left hand side, and this minus 1, this 1 from the left hand side is equivalent to 100 on the right hand side. Look at this again, 132 on the right hand side, it was 132. So therefore I shifted this 1. This 100 is being shifted from right to left, and this 100 from right to left, at the 100 place it will be 123 plus 1, 124, because we are borrowing 1 from the 100 place, equivalent to this. On the right hand side it will be 100 and minus 12, so 100 minus 12 will make it 88, which is a desired 2-digit number. for the right hand side. The final answer is 10088. Now you can practice similar questions if you want, like 107 into 112, both numbers. So 107 and 112. 12 plus 7, 19, so 119 on the left hand side, and 12 into 7, 84, so that will be 84 on the right hand side. And similarly, you can take any two numbers which are close to 100, find the product of these numbers, and look at this, you know, your speed will improve dramatically. So I hope this was clear to you all. In case you have any doubt, you can write in the comment, and yes, please do share and subscribe the channel for, you know, getting similar videos in the future. Thank you so much.